These felt animal videos are going viral on TikTok right now. This page has hit 108,000 followers, and they've pulled 6.8 million, 3.6 million, and 2 million views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the felt animal generator, and click on the first link. In the GPT, click Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 4. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. So just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and choose Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. For the output, choose 9:16 and 2K. Pick how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The woolly fur, the steamy ramen, it looks like something you'd want to pick up and cuddle. So just pick the one you like and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Then go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. For the output, choose 8 seconds and 1080p, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.